Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, we'll solve this ellipse problem. As per the problem, find an equation of the ellipse with foci 2, -2 and 4, -2 and vertices 1, -2 and 5, -2. The first step is to analyze the given information. We should plot the given foci and vertices to visualize them. The first focus point is 2, -2. The second focus point is 4, -2. The first vertex is 1, -2. That's here. And the other vertex is 5, -2. That's here. We can sketch the ellipse through the vertices. We have to find the equation of this ellipse. In this ellipse, major axis is horizontal because the line that joins the vertices of the ellipse is a horizontal line. Therefore, this ellipse is wider than taller. The general equation of an ellipse that's wider than taller is x minus h square over a square plus y minus k square over b square equals 1. In this general equation, the center of the ellipse is h comma k. To write the equation of this ellipse, we have to find the values of h, k, a square and b square. The first step is to find the center of the ellipse. Center of an ellipse is the midpoint of the line segment that joins the foci or vertices of the ellipse. We can use either the given foci or vertices to find the center of this ellipse using the midpoint formula. The midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2. I will use the given foci points to find the center of the ellipse. We can label one of these 2 points as x1, y1, the other one as x2, y2. We can sub in these values in the midpoint formula. Two plus 4 is equal to 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. -2 plus -2 is equal to -4. -4 divided by 2 is equal to -2. This is the midpoint of the line segment joining the given foci. This is the center of the ellipse. Therefore, h is equal to 3 and k is equal to -2. Next, we have to find the values of a square and b square. For that, we can analyze the sketch on the board. The center of the ellipse is here. The value of a is equal to the distance between the center of the ellipse and either of the 2 vertices of the ellipse. The distance from the center of this ellipse to the vertex on the right side is 2 units. Therefore, a is equal to 2. Similarly, the distance from the center of this ellipse to the vertex on the left side is 2 units. So a is equal to 2. Therefore, a square is equal to 4. We can find the value of b square from the equation a square equals b square plus c square. In this equation, C represents the distance from the center of the ellipse to either of the two foci of the ellipse. As we can see in the sketch, the distance from the center to the focus point on the right side is 1 unit, so C is equal to 1. The distance from the center to the focus point on the left side is also equal to 1. So C is equal to 1. Therefore, C squared is equal to 1 square, which is equal to 1. We can use these values of a square and c square to find the value of b squared. A square is equal to 4. C square is 1. We can subtract 1 from both sides. 4 minus 1 is 3. Therefore, b squared is equal to 3. Now we can sub in these values to write the equation of the ellipse. I get x minus 3 square over 4 plus y minus negative 2, k is negative 2 square over b square is equal to 3 equals 1. We can simplify this equation. Y minus negative 2 is equal to y plus 2. This should be the final answer for the equation of this ellipse. These are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve this problem. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.